I'm not just trying to put a shingle on a roof. I'm trying to bring out the best that I can for that homeowner. We all felt like it was worthy to introduce IKO to our market, and it's just been a phenomenal product to work with. My name is Dale Faulkenberry, and I am the owner of Integrity Roofing and Contracting. Integrity Roofing and Contracting has been around since 2006. Most of our work is located in the Mobile and Baldwin County areas that consist of both new construction, residential, and removal and replacement residential. Our big concern is how we work within the weather, and that may be violent thunderstorms, hurricanes, and even potentially now tornadoes. As we have evolved through new roofing codes and standards, it's been imperative that new products have been brought to the market. One being the GoldSeam deck tape. It allows us to tape the seams and joints of the decking, and it also allows us to bring it to the edge of the eave of the deck, providing waterproofing at that level. Another product is self-adhering edge seal. It allows us to offer intervention for wind lift, which is the most vulnerable part of the roof. It adheres both top and bottom, so it adheres nicely to the roof deck, and we really like that feature. Now that we are in a world of weatherproofing roofs, we have got to offer a homeowner a complete waterproof roof, and also one that is going to be able to withstand extreme wind loads. With products offered by IKO, we can now arrive at that with no problem. As a female roofing contractor, I am all about detail, and the IKO Dynasty is not only an upgrade, but it offers something a little different that homeowners like.